Okay, so we have a Vermeer RT200 Trencher that has shorted out drive clutch. The wire is disconnected on the clutch, so we need to tear it apart. So to begin with, remove the end shroud and disconnect the hydraulic hoses. Remove the tube covers. Next, remove the muffler guard and the muffler. Next, after removing some of the hydraulic hoses and the fuel tank, then there's quite a few hoses that need to be disconnected, removed. Then the hydraulic pump can be removed. And also the oil cooler. And the bracket that holds the oil cooler. There'll be quite a lot of dirt in the bottom. It's a good opportunity to clean it all out. The end drive can be removed from the coupling. Coupling between the clutch and the hydraulic pump. Then the electric clutch can be removed. And then the new one installed. This particular one, the wires going into one of the holes had broken off. We soldered it back on, put some heat shrink on there, but decided it'd be better to just buy a new complete clutch, and we'll keep this one as a spare. After the dirt is all cleaned out from the valley there, we can start reassembling. Put the new clutch on and put everything all back together.